In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create percentage-based columns with current Figma Auto Layout. Let's start by opening Figma and selecting the prepared frame. Head over to your browser and open Figma Drafts. Once you're in Drafts, click the prepared design file to open it. When the file loads, look at the Layers panel on the left side and click the parent frame to select it. Next, let's enable the Auto Layout grid. In the right sidebar, scroll down until you find the Layout section. Under Flow, click the far right icon, the one that looks like a 2x2 four-square symbol. This is the Auto Layout Grid option. Once selected, click the grid picker that appears. Then click Number of Columns and enter the number of columns you prefer for your layout. Leave the number of rows set to Auto so Figma handles them automatically. Now move down to Gap. Click the horizontal field, which currently shows 320. Change the horizontal gap to the value you prefer between your columns. Leave the vertical gap set to 0. Then take a moment to check both your horizontal padding and your vertical padding to make sure they match what you want. Next, let's set the tracks. Open the detailed grid panel to reveal the column and row controls. For column 1, set it to fill and then set the fill value. For column 2, do the same, setting it to fill and assigning its fall and prop. Finally, confirm that there is only one row and that this row is also set to fill with an FAL view applied. Now let's fill both cells. Go back to the Layers panel and select both main and sidebar together. With them selected, set their width to fill, then set their height to fill as well, so they stretch fully inside their tracks. Lastly, let's verify the result. Select the dashboard columns frame in your layers. Then resize it horizontally by dragging its edge, and watch how the columns respond. Dashboard columns now uses a set auto layout grid with main set to 3-4 and sidebar set to 7-4. The columns will maintain their split as the frame resizes, keeping the fixed pixel gap between them exactly where you placed it. And that's it. Congratulations, you successfully created percentage-based columns using the current Figma Auto Layout grid, and your design will now stay responsive at any width.